Hi, I am Devapriya Mukherjee and I have my partner Mohit Kornani with me. So we have been working on a project, H1B Petitions Visual Analytics. So basically through this project, we'll be analyzing how different attributes such as employers, wages, job titles impact the H1B visa petitions along with the success ratio. So I'll ask Mohit to tell us more about the details of this project.
So we have created a single page dashboard. You can see that we are basically comparing multiple attributes such as job titles, employers, US states with respect to H1B petitions here. Also, we have used brush and linking technique. So we can see that job titles such as programmer, analyst, and software engineers, for them, highest petition is filed in the range of 240,000. Similarly, for employers, Infosys and TCS, they are the one which files maximum petitions. And for US states, we have Texas and California that files petition more than 200K. So let's say I want to see data set for Microsoft. I'll just click on Microsoft. So then I'll be able to see that it files petitions for mostly software engineers and senior software engineers with 3.5 thousand. And those states are basically California and Washington with more than 1,500 petitions. I can also change the timeline for Microsoft. I can just drag it. So now I'll be seeing data from 2011 to 2014. So you can see that it earlier hired a business analyst as well, and the other states. So I'll click the refresh to bring back my original data set. Now let's say I want to see specific state petitions. So if I click California, I can see that in California, these are the companies that files the most number of petitions. Infosys and Google, they file as much as 12,000 petitions. And these are the job titles in California for which they file petitions. I'll hand over to Devapriya to explain H1B petition success ratio.
So yes, so as we can see here, we are plotting the petition success ratio over some parameters such as job titles and employers. For the first plot, we can see that for technology lead role US, the petition success ratio is the highest when compared to others. But for assistant professor, it is close around to 80%, which makes it a bit less when compared to the others. For the second plot, as we can see here that we are plotting the petition success ratio versus employers. So the topmost companies such as Google, Facebook, we have comparatively lesser petition success ratio over the others. And for the third plot, we have plotted a geo map, which shows that most of the states have moderate petition success ratio except Alaska, West Virginia, so which have been denoted in green color. So I'll hand over to Mohit to tell us more about the wages part.
Okay, so that's comes the interesting part. So here we know that for job titles related to our domain, such as software engineer or database administrator, the average job salary is around 90K, 80K, all across US. And if I want to see the top employers, I see that data science, secure endpoints, they offer as much as 600, 700K salary to employees. And for US states, we see that Alaska, South Dakota, like they offer more than 180K. So let's say I want to analyze software engineers. I'll click there. So I can see that for software engineers, these are the employers that offer highest wages. So DataSire and DTC Global, they offer as much as 700K. That's the median salary, by the way. And also for software engineers, we see that like these US states like California, Nevada, they offer more than 180K average salary. So also one last thing, we also have sampled version where like these dataset contains millions of records. So sampled will basically fetch some fraction of records, and you can see how data changes according to that. Now Devapriya will explain overall statistics.
So yeah, this is the overall statistics page of our project. So for the first plot, we have actually used the parallel coordinates to see how different attributes such as case status, employer name, prevailing wages impact the H1B visa petitions through parallel coordinates. For the second plot, we can see a histogram displaying the overall statistics for many years, and it is safe to say that they have generally been increasing over the years. For the third plot, we have actually used a PCA scatter plot, which we can deduce that there is moderate correlation between the attributes. So this is a plot between the principal component 1 versus the principal component 2. So this is the overall statistics of our project. So thank you for watching.
Thank you.